Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to City Care Hospital. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I actually have an appointment with Dr. Wilson at 3 p.m.
All right, let me check the system. May I have your ID, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Just one moment. All right, I found your booking. Mr. David Brown, correct?
That's right.
Great. Could you also confirm your phone number ending with 4721?
Yes, that's my number.
Perfect. I'll register your arrival. While we wait, can you please fill out this short medical form? It asks about allergies, current medications, and your medical history. Dot?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. Take your time.
Here you are. I've written everything down.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Please have a seat in the waiting area. Dr. Wilson is still with another patient, but he will see you shortly.
Do you know how long it might take?
Around 10 minutes, maybe 15. We'll call your name as soon as he's ready.
All right, I'll wait here.
Mr. David Brown, the doctor is ready for you.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Brown. Please, come in and have a seat. How are you feeling today?
Hello, doctor. Honestly, not so well. I've been having headaches almost every day for the past week.
I see. Are they strong headaches or more like a dull pain?
Sometimes they're mild, but other times they're quite strong. Yesterday, for example, I had to lie down in a dark room because the pain was too much.
I understand. Do you also feel dizzy, nauseous, or unusually tired?
Yes, sometimes I feel dizzy and I get tired quickly. I thought maybe it's just stress, but it keeps happening.
Have you been sleeping well?
Not really. I usually go to bed late, and I wake up several times during the night.
That could definitely be a factor. Headaches are often linked to poor sleep, dehydration, or stress. Let me check a few things. First, I'll take your blood pressure. Please roll up your sleeve.
Sure.
Your blood pressure is slightly higher than normal. Do you usually have high blood pressure?
No, not that I know of.
All right. Sometimes temporary stress or lack of sleep can cause it, but we should monitor it. I'll also listen to your heartbeat. Please breathe in and out. Good. Now again. Perfect. Everything sounds normal.
That's good to hear.
Do you spend a lot of time on the computer or phone?
Yes. I work in an office. I look at a screen for at least 8 hours a day.
That could be another cause. Eye strain can trigger frequent headaches. I recommend taking short breaks every hour, even just standing up and stretching.
I'll try to do that.
For now, I'll prescribe some mild painkillers. They're not strong, but they should help you manage the headaches. Take 1 pill after meals, no more than 3 per day.
Got it. Do I need to do any tests?
Not immediately, unless the headaches get worse. But if you experience vision problems, severe dizziness, or sudden sharp pain, come back right away.
Understood. Thank you, doctor.
Not immediately, unless the headaches get worse. But if you experience vision problems, severe dizziness, or sudden sharp pain, come back right away.
I'll definitely follow your advice.
I'll also give you some advice. Drink more water, reduce caffeine, and try to get at least 7 hours of sleep. Regular exercise can also help.
Thank you so much, doctor.
My pleasure. Take care of yourself, Mr. Brown, and don't hesitate to return if needed.
I will. Thanks again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.